Hello, my dear friends. Myself Pranay, and today I am going to teaching you the chapter that is the structural organization in animal is of Neet. It is a class 11th NCERT chapter of biology structural organization in animal. जनरली ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी को समझने के लिए ये चैप्टर बेसिक बेस बनाता है, तो हमें ये चैप्टर की नीड्स टिश्यू इसमें जो जो दिया है टिश्यू मतलब मेन फिजियोलॉजी के चैप्टर से कहीं ना कहीं इसका कंसेप्ट मैच होता है, तो ये हमें क्लियर होना ज़रूरी है। तो यानी ऑर्गेनिज्म का स्ट्रक्चरल ऑर्गेनिज्म इन एनिमल कौन सा क्या क्या चीज़ है जो स्ट्रक्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है एनिमल्स का, दैट इज़ अ टिश्यू। जनरली टिश्यू इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स मेक अ टिश्यू, group of tissue make a organ, and group of organ make a organ system. And when all organ system is work properly in their proportion and definite manner, they form a human body. To tissue, what is in multicellular organism, a group of similar cell along with intercellular substance perform a specific function. Such an organism is called a tissue. In animal tissue are classified into the four types. First one is epithelial tissue, second one is the connective tissue, third one is the muscular tissue, and fourth one is the neural tissue. Epithelial tissue is provided a covering of lining of some part of body. Epithelial tissue generally covering the lining of some part of body. This tissue are commonly called the epithelium. Epithelial tissue is the commonly called the epithelium, and their cells are compactly packed with intercellular matrix. Now animal tissue, there are four types of epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue are further classified like squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, and ciliated epithelium. And the next, glandular epithelium. Connective tissue are of four types like areolar tissue, adipose tissue, skeletal tissue, and fluid tissue. Areolar are two types of tendons and ligament, and skeletal system is in bone and cartilage, and fluid is blood and lymph. Muscular tissue is of three types: straight muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. So squamous simple epithelium में फर्स्ट अब जब हम देखेंगे तो सिंपल एपिथेलियम इज कम्पोज्ड ऑफ सिंगल लेयर ऑफ सेल एंड फंक्शन एज लाइनिंग ऑफ बॉडी कैविटीज एंड डक्ट. तो सिंपल फर्स्ट वन इज द सिंपल squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium is made up of single layer of cell and flatted cells with irregular boundaries, and they are present in lining of blood vessel and duct of lungs, air sacs of lungs. Next, cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium is made up of single layer of cube-like cells, and in the duct of glands and tubular parts of nephrons are example of cuboidal epithelium. Kidney for absorption and secretion. Now next one is the columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium is made up of tall and slender cells. Their nuclei are located at the base. Free surface which may microglia finding in stomach and intestine. Then the columnar or the cuboidal cell bear cilia or cilia on their free surface. They are called ciliated epithelium. When columnar epithelium and cuboidal epithelium both bear cilia on their surface, they are called ciliated epithelium. Now glandular epithelium. It is a modified cuboidal and or columnar epithelium which are specialized for secretion. It may be unicellular as in goblet cell, alimentary canal of multicellular in salivary gland. Gland are divided into two categories. First one is exocrine gland and second one is endocrine gland. Exocrine gland, the secretory product transferred to the point 2 means of duct tubes. Glands secrete mucus, saliva, oil wax, milk, digestive enzyme, etc. But endocrine gland, commonly called the ductless gland, because their secretory product directly into the blood. The gland secrete hormones. The endocrine gland secretes the hormone. Now compound epithelium. The compound epithelium is made up of two or more than layers of cell and has protective function. Limited role in absorption and secretion. They cover the dry surface of skin, moist surface of buccal cavity, pharynx, inner lining of duct, and salivary gland of pancreatic duct. Then what are the junction? Epithelium cells are held together with the intercellular matrix to form specialized junction. Junction मतलब दो किसी चीज़ को ज्वाइन करने के बीच में एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट है जंक्शंस. तो थ्री टाइप ऑफ जंक्शन. फर्स्ट वन इज अ टाइट जंक्शन, सेकंड वन इज adhering junction, and third one is the gap junction. Then tight junction help to stop substances from the leaking across the tissue. Second one is the adhering junction. Adhering junction is help to perform cementing two neighboring cell together, and the gap junction facilitate the cell to communicate the cytoplasm of adjoining cell for rapid transfer of ion and a small molecule. This all about the epithelial tissue. Thanks.